This is my before and after result. Girl, let me tell you, if it's 2020 and you're still going out with the white unbleached lace and you're black, girl, you better watch this video. This video is for you. So keep watching and I will see you later.
Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me.
Hi guys, it's your girl Miss Kesi and I'm back with another video of beauty on the beat. Yes girl, I'm back. If you're new, I welcome you to my channel, but if you're not new, girl, you're the realest MAV, marvelous amazing viewer, and that's on period. Girl, let's bake this wig. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get into the video, girl. As you can see, the lace is quite fair, like, you know what I'm saying, the lace look like I'm white, but I'm not white because I'm black. The thing is not matching the skin as they're showing, it's not matching anything, so you know there is a lot of work to do. These are all the products that you need. First, you will need a blue bleach powder, yes girl, blue, to prevent a yellow or orange on the door, because what we want is to have a light brown color. A knife to spread that bleach on the lace, yes girl, spread it on. You want a 9%/30 volume developer that will activate the chemical process of the blue bleach. This is what you need. Then a pot where we are going to mix the product, some pins to hold the hair back, but not least a neutralizing shampoo. This will help the bleaching process to stop. To be I don't know, well, we will see. What you want to do now is you want to brush your edges and hair back and clip them firmly with the pins, so you will avoid the hair going on your lace, and you won't risk to bleach your hair because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that, girl. You're done and you are satisfied with securing the hair, you can then flip the hair back. To protect your hair while bleaching, you want to get this friend that still don't know what the name is and place it in between the lace and the long hair, so you will protect the hair too. So we are here now. What you want to do is put some blue bleach powder in the pot, and there is no right amount as I don't know what amount I've put there, so girl, we should figure it out. Okay, no, I'm joking. If the consistency finishes, then you can add some more. So what I suggest is that you start with a small amount so you won't waste more product that you need. Guys, this is the right consistency. What you want to avoid is to have a too fluid paste, because it will go on the other side of the lace and it will probably bleach your hair, and you don't want that. You should go for a more not too hard, not too liquid consistency, as you can see in mine. So this can make or break your wig, so be careful. This is the most important part, so listen carefully. Let's pretend that the wig is a piece of toasted bread and the bleach is butter. What you want to do is place the knife horizontally and start spreading this butter on top without breaking the bread. You don't want to press too hard, if not the bleach will go on the other side of the lace. Remember to always check on the other side to see if the lace is still there and the bleach hasn't touched any unwanted part. Done, place the aluminum foil on top of the hair. This would help the process to go quicker. That's what they say. I don't know if it's true, but let's do this. It's covered. If you are comfortable, let me repeat, if you're comfortable, you can turn the wig around as I'm doing. But if you're not comfortable and it's your first time, girl, Don't risk anything at all. Don't risk it. Leave it like that and just go. Set the timer for 20 minutes and go. After 20 minutes, if you're not satisfied with the bleaching, you can leave it for extra 5 to 10 minutes. Remember not to use your ordinary shampoo. Remember to use the neutralizing shampoo first, and then after you can use whatever you want to use. This will help to stop the process. This is important if you don't want your hair to be blonde or some rubbish there. Remember that after washing, I will show you how to match the lace to your skin. So stay tuned. Keep watching. We are almost there. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video so far, and leave a comment if you would like me to do more videos. So the problem that you will have is that the knots will be bleached, but the lace will still be white. So what you have to do to match the lace is to apply some powder and foundation. Apply a small amount on your hand. Take the beauty blender and tap on top of your hand, and then just go like this. Take some of your favorite powder, place a little bit of it on the cup, apply a small amount on your brush, just like this. Stop, just let the powder pour naturally on top of the lace. Just brush the powder all over, just like this. Remember that you should focus on the part that is on the front. This is the main part that you want to focus on, and then keep doing the same. So this is, you should do it when you buy a lace that is not naturally brown and is white. So this is what you should do. Just take your cotton bleed and then just from far spray it on top, just like this. From far, not too much, just like this, so that you will create a layer, and then you just let it dry. So this should be your result. And if you want to add some definition, you can go ahead and apply some concealer on your line, on your final line, and then you can just clean with some wipes the foundation that came through, and that's it, and then you're done. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next week.